Hey, this is Kent over at Zamplo, and in today's video, I'm happy to be sharing with you a new feature release. This is something that's been requested by many of you, and it's the ability to search for a parcel on the map in Zamplo by owner name. So previously, we've been able to search by APN coordinates or a general place name, whether that's a county, a city, or an exact address. Um, but searching by owner name kind of opens up the possibilities and makes it a lot easier when identifying a specific parcel or even multiple parcels that one person owns. So we're going to use a example that we have here in Lee County, Florida. Lee County, Florida, like many counties, have these really long APNs, and often, I mean, yes, you could enter those in, but when you're on the phone with somebody, what might be the quickest is to just get their name, enter it in there, and find them that way. So now we have this little drop down bar here where we go to owner name. And if we enter in, so Lee County, we're going to look for a person. And maybe we're looking for Susan Little. So we're going to hit search. And now Susan owns multiple parcels within this county. But what's nice is you can see the APN on all these different parcels. And so if you're looking for one of the specific ones, it's really quick to kind of glance through there and see which one matches. And of course, as we go a little bit further, it starts showing, okay, well, that's not Susan, that's Ian. So she's going to appear at the top. And you might say, okay, it's going to be, this one right here. And it's automatically going to go to where that parcel is. So really quick to jump in there. Also, quite often you send out a mailer to a parcel owner. They mention that they have other parcels in the county or maybe a different county. So it makes it really easy to pull those up without having to get a list of all different APNs for the parcels that they own. So that's one way that you can do it. The other option, of course, is maybe you're looking for things that are owned by a business or a corporation. So in that scenario, we're going to go to owner name, and we are going to do maybe Modoc County this time and a company. And if you have the company name, let's do Perimeter Assets in this case, and we press search. And the same sort of thing, it's going to bring up all the different parcels that they own in that county. So you could kind of match which APN it is that you're looking for specifically and quickly jump over to that county, and it kind of pulls you in there right away. So Zamplo is more than just a data tool of what you're using to get your data for sending mail. Part of the engine of land investing is when these people are responding to you, you want to be able to jump in really quickly to where that parcel is. And so this is going to make it happen a lot quicker. It's obvious why so many people have requested this functionality. This is a feature that will be available for basic level plans and higher. So the only plan that it won't be on is anything that's below that basic level plan, like the starter package. But if it is something that you really want to get in there and utilize, let me know. We'd be happy to hop on a call with you and answer any questions that you have. And this is really the beginning of what we're doing with this as well. We plan to build out basically owner pages where you could see all the parcels that they own across multiple counties. And I've had that many times where I've reached out to somebody and they say, hey, I'm not selling this parcel, but I am selling one over, in a different county. Are you interested? This is going to make it a lot more efficient and effective for me to find exactly where that is and to decide if that is something that I want to purchase.